The first finalist in the Meeting the Challenge of the Difficult Job Projects $10 million or below category is Blois Construction Incorporated for their Salinity Management Pipeline SMP project, Phase 2B, Camarillo. The picturesque rural town of Camarillo, California, provided the backdrop for one of the most technically and logistically challenging projects that Blois Construction has ever tackled. The Salinity Management Pipeline SMP project, Phase 2B. The main project component entailed installation of over 13,000 lineal feet of 30-inch PVC sewer pipe, air vacuum and air release valves, large vaults and other items, all stretching several miles through sensitive farmlands, industrial areas, residential streets, and even an elementary school playground. A second primary component involved below-ground placement of 10 air vacuum and air release valve stations. Blois performed the work under a range of conditions, often working at night and in adverse weather conditions such as heavy fog, rain, and high temperatures. Crews overcame multiple challenges and hazards, among them traffic control permits and constant field redesign, working amidst vehicular traffic on multiple Caltrans right-of-ways, city streets, and Metrolink parking lots, working in sensitive farmlands and ecosystems, unknown and changing conditions, hundreds of utility and substructure crossings, deep, challenging excavations, shored pits, and open-cut trenches with limited space for heavy equipment and demanding confined spaces. The numerous challenges stemming from the project's length, location, permit requirements, and ongoing scheduling conflicts with approximately 15 public agencies threatened to impact project momentum on a regular basis. To counter those challenges, Blois emphasized open, collaborative communication and involved all of the project stakeholders. Their proactive approach cemented a strong relationship with the project owner and garnered the respect and confidence of other agencies involved. Despite the many challenges, Blois remained focused on solutions at all times and ultimately delivered the project under budget, ahead of schedule, and with an excellent safety record.
The next finalist in the Meeting the Challenge of the Difficult Job Projects $10 million or below category is Myers & Sons Construction LP for their Route 12 Mokelemne River Bridge Improvements Project, Sacramento. The Mokelemne River Bridge, constructed in 1942, is one of only 21 remaining swing truss bridges in California. Spanning nearly 1,436 feet and functioning as a vital economic and infrastructure link that connects the San Joaquin and Sacramento counties, the bridge carries nearly 15,000 vehicles daily. In 2013, the bridge was rated as having a critical deck condition and structurally deficient portions of the control house structure. Its specialty control, mechanical, and motor components needed replacement. Myers & Sons Construction, working in close partnership with Caltrans, tackled the uniquely challenging bridge rehabilitation project. Through effective communication, joint problem solving, rapid decision making, and collaborative alternatives analysis, the Caltrans Myers team was able to deliver the project in just half the projected time. The team faced a complex project scope involving specialized work in the air, above water, and in tightly confined conditions under the structure, all taking place next to extensive amounts of live traffic. Adopting a partnership approach was pivotal to the project's success. In early collaboration among the Caltrans Myers team, local residents and business owners, the Coast Guard, and levee districts, the team was able to reduce the project timeline from 2 seasons to 1. And cut down the initially planned 6 full weekend closures of SR12 to just 4 closures. Innovative problem solving was also key. For example, the team discovered that anticipated controls and electrical work would render the bridge's underside navigational light inoperable. Simply rerouting the electrical supply and switching systems could delay the project. The team brainstormed a unique solar-powered beacon system that would completely eliminate the need for electrical supply. This solution established a set of best practices that is transferable to future projects. Through innovative approaches, a strong partnership with the owner, and active hands-on management, the team successfully delivered this critical regional project.
The last finalist in the Meeting the Challenge of the Difficult Job, Projects $10 million or below category, is Reyes Construction Incorporated for their SOF Range 130 support project, Camp Pendleton. Reyes Construction Incorporated faced numerous unique challenges in the construction of the Special Operations Forces Range 130 support project at Camp Pendleton, California. The design-build project for Naval Facilities Engineering Command Southwest provides a unique training venue for close-quarter combatants in a safe, controlled, and realistic environment. The facilities allow trainees to rehearse simulated and realistic breaching and assault techniques, along with basic weapon training. The remote work location was just one of the many hurdles Reyes faced on the project. Because the existing range facilities and access roads needed to remain open during construction, Reyes constructed temporary roads to maintain access. They regularly coordinated the construction schedule with owner representatives to ensure safety, minimize impacts, and expedite the construction schedule. Another project challenge was related to the sensitive nature of working around potential unexploded ordnance. Reyes worked closely with the owner to ensure proper methods were utilized in all UXO remediation efforts and employed a qualified subcontractor to conduct a surface clearance of the Range 130D footprint prior to start of any earthwork activities. Environmental constraints and mitigation, as well as complex existing overhead utility relocation, also posed challenges. The project team focused on proactive problem solving at every step. One example was Reyes' solution for separating the new Square Bay 130D range from the existing and active range. Reyes designed a custom timber wall for each side of the new Square Bay 130D that met precise barrier requirements and helped protect users from stray bullets. Working in close collaboration with the design-build team, owner, and end user, Reyes met all of the challenges of this difficult project while maintaining its commitment to excellent safety performance.